Hello everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I received this box from Ecuagenera and I thought let's have a look together what plants are hidden inside this box. Now, doesn't this box look as if an Egyptian mummy could just jump out of it at any time? Let's hope not. Let's hope it's just plants. And actually I ordered 8. I ordered 3 rare philodendrons, 1 miniature fern, and finally I ordered 4 different goldfish plants. Let's have a look at each plant separately. This is the first philodendron, roseocataphyllum, from Ecuador and Colombia, and look at these gorgeous green heart-shaped leaves. And I'm very happy to report that all those 4 leaves are actually bright green and I see no yellowing at all, so that's just perfect. The second philodendron is Atratum. This species has only been described recently in 2013. And in the philodendron world, that's actually quite recent. I see 3 beautiful green leaves. And at the bottom, I see 1 smaller leaf that does look yellow, so I'm probably gonna lose that. But that's not a problem. Overall, this plant is okay. The third philodendron is Philodendron pseudoverrucosum CF, which means that it's a plant that's closely related to a plant that looks like a verrucosum. So let's say an imposter of an imposter. These leaves are just gorgeous. I see no yellowing at all. And I touch them, they actually are quite velvety, just like the original verrucosum. And most importantly, between the leaves, I see a beautiful red new growing point. So that's just perfect chipping. Now let's have a look at the only miniature fern that I bought. It's called microgramma, aka the hairy snake fern, and this is actually a terrarium plant. And I'm really blown away, I must say, by the way that Ecuagenera has packed this miniature fern. They actually shipped it inside a cardboard box, but inside a miniature terrarium. I can't call it any other way. And the plant looks in perfect health, so I think that's great packaging. Now, the last 4 plants in this sarcophagus are goldfish plants, and I'm a little bit scared because I read some horrible stories about how badly they ship, that they lose all their leaves. So let's just hope for the best. Let's have a look. Now, the first goldfish plant is called Spatulata, and this one should give me beautiful red flowers, of course, if it doesn't die on me. And when I take a look at this plant, it actually looks okay. I don't see any dead leaves or leaves dropping from this plant. The leaves all look quite green. And actually, if you can see this, goldfish plant actually has aerial roots, just like, for instance, a philodendron. So that's quite special. But overall, this plant doesn't look bad at all. Here you can see these aerial roots. I think this plant will be just fine. This is the second goldfish plant called Krasikolis. And actually the Latin word crassus means thick. And indeed, when I touch these leaves, they are really thick and leathery. And the way this plant grows actually makes me think of a ZZ plant. If all goes well, this goldfish plant should give me yellow flowers. And I don't really see a lot of dead leaves. I see 1 leaf that's a bit yellowing at the bottom on the left, but I think this plant should be okay too. Now the third goldfish plant is called Gloriosa. This one should have red-yellow flowers that look like a dancing dolphin. We'll see about that, but this one is a little bit different from the other 2 in that it's very delicate. It has a lot of vines, and here I do see some dead leaves at the bottom of the packaging, but there are quite a few green leaves left. So we will have to see whether this plant makes it, but let's hope it will. Now the very last plant of the box, it's also a goldfish plant, it's called Guttata. This one should give me yellow flowers if all goes well. The leaves are actually very thin and velvety, and just have a look at the bottom of those leaves. You can see that beautiful green and red variation on the bottom of the leaves. This really makes me think of the Philodendron subhastatum, which has the same kind of color on the bottom of its leaves. So overall, I must say I'm quite happy with the way that these 8 plants were shipped and how they arrived at my place. I will pot them up now and I will keep you updated about how they did in the next couple of days. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you feel like it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.